Hey Math Monsters. All right, so hopefully you are looking for Level 2 DIY 4. Level 2 DIY 4. Now, if you haven't already gotten this piece of paper, pause the video, go to your Level 2 box, find DIY 4, place value blocks. So we are going to write each one of these numbers that have been represented in base 10 blocks. You're going to write them in standard form. All right, so I like to label the tens place and the ones place. You can even make a tens and ones chart like this. Looks like a tall T. Tens place, ones place. All right, so let's go determine what digit needs to go in the tens place. So let's look at the tens rods. Okay, I see 110. So I'm going to write 1 in the tens place. Okay. Over here I see 1, 1. I'm going to write 1 in the ones place. Check it out. We just wrote the number 11. I'm going to do one more with you, and I'm going to model it without the tens and ones chart and without the labeling. Okay, because maybe that's the way that works for you. All right, so here I'm going to look at the tens place. I see 110, 2 tens. I'm going to write that in the tens place. Check out the ones place. 1, 1, 2 ones. We just wrote the number 22 in standard form. All right, friends, when you have written all of the numbers in standard form, and you got your name up there, that's important. Do what you need to do. Each class is different. Whatever you're supposed to do when you're done with the DIY. Okay? For my kids, they get my attention and I grade it. Okay? I don't know if that's the case for Miss Brown and Miss Hayes' kids. You do what you know you're supposed to do when you complete a DIY. All right, we cannot wait to see what you have to show us about writing numbers in standard form.